Welcome to Interior, the fourth installment of the session series. My name is Sascha Feider and I will be your instructor for this course. The goal of sessions has always been to create small, achievable scenes in a short amount of time. And now we'll take this concept to journey into the world of interior vignettes. This course is meant for beginners and intermediate students alike, as I will walk you through everything we do in detail. However, you should know at least the very basics of Blender itself and ideally have some experience in modeling, lighting and materials. So if you're brand new to Blender, I recommend doing these courses first. It will make taking this course all the more enjoyable. Interior vignettes are described as scenes focused on a specific interior element or a small curated arrangement of objects that tell a story or add visual interest to a segment of a room. And exactly that description makes them perfect for sessions. We begin our journey by keeping it simple, focusing on just the architecture itself, before increasing the complexity with every subsequent project. Along the way, we will utilize simple modeling techniques combined with modifiers and procedural materials to make even the most trivial scene look compelling. Cloth simulations will play a big role in this course, and we'll explore different ways to use them, creating comfort in one scene, while being the foundation for a satisfying looping animation in another. As we move on, we will zoom out further, taking a trip back in time for a more cinematic approach, where we will learn how one single material adapted to all aspects of the scene can carry a whole project. And while the focus is on the interior, sometimes it's the exterior that makes a scene compelling. In sticking to the session's theme, we will find ways to deal with it quickly, using images that interact with the sky texture. At our final destination, we will then try to solve a mystery and let the storytelling take center stage, adapting pre-existing assets to our narrative and use atmospheric lighting and the power of the compositor to add just the right amount of tension to our scene. I really hope you will have as much fun taking this course as I had creating it. So if you're ready, let's strap in and take off into the world of Sessions Interior.